Well, hello there. This is your astrological forecast for Thursday, October the 14th. My name is Kat. This is the Soul Sister channel. We are going to get started like we always do on the Soul Sister channel by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. And one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We can visualize all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. We watch it just leaving our bodies, just flowing away. And then we see in its place, we're being filled with this beautiful white light. And this white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. Not only do we see it filling our entire body, but then it goes out. We see it forming this beautiful protective bubble around us. And this bubble is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. And it is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun and Libra affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. We are going to say the affirmation together. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it now. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. Good work. Well done. And you know I push it all the time. We want to at least be doing the 3 deep cleansing breaths and staying in this space connected with our higher self every day for 5 minutes. That's all. And we can begin to develop and grow this most important relationship in our lives. Well, today, the Red Sea has parted. We are beginning to feel more optimistic about the project that we're working on. We got some additional input yesterday from unexpected places. And today we have some great energy with the moon. The moon is conjunct Saturn in Aquarius. It's trine Mercury and it's square Uranus. So it's like we can see the light. We are making progress. We are so finally, it's like a sigh of relief. Maybe we passed that important midterm that we were like, oh, I don't know if I can do it. Maybe we passed that exam and now we're one step closer to our goal. Maybe we got the materials that we needed. They came in finally. You know, with this construction, everything is back ordered. Inventory and construction is so minimal right now. And finally, we got some construction materials in so that we can work on adding that work office to our home, and that we've been waiting on for months. So little things like this are just going to give us the impetus, the motivation to keep moving today and keep going forward. So that is some great energy. Now, remember, Mercury's retrograde. So it's not like all the obstacles and we're just going to pass every exam for whatever degree we're working on, or whatever skill we're working on getting tested for. It's not, it's just right now, okay? It's just today. Everything is looking a little better. Everything seems to be moving a little bit more, moving forward a little bit better today. But it's not over yet. We still have a long way to go. So today, even though we have Mercury hanging overhead, and even though the moon does square Uranus and Taurus, so, like I said, it's not like smooth sailing from here on in, but we do see progress. And we are inspired again to move forward with our idea, our project. Could even be a relationship. Maybe we're doing what we need to do so that we can support a new relationship. Maybe we are, well, the best thing I can think of is getting a good job. A good job meaning a job that sustains us, or whatever we need to do for a new relationship. Do we need to take care of our health? Are we working on that? So, positive movement forward today. Let's be quite thankful for this glimmer of hope, and this will propel us forward. We have new motivation. We see new life in what we're working on, and we can almost see the light at the end of the tunnel. So remember though, today I forgot to mention, not everyone is going to be behind us supporting our new venture. Like I said yesterday, this is pretty big stuff for us with this Saturn going direct. And we are really, some of us are making some decisions, life decisions, that are really different and take us into an entirely different direction. And there are those who are not comfortable with change. There are those of us who don't like new, don't like the unknown. Even if the known is uncomfortable, it's better than the unknown where we don't know what to expect. That's the attitude. So don't expect everyone to think that our idea, our project, our career change is the best thing since sliced bread. As long as it is for us, that is the only thing that is important right now. So remember that today. Come see me tonight for our Friday astrological forecast. That comes out every night at 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time to give us an idea of what the energies are out there in the world that we will be working with. Today, just be ready to feel that inspiration to keep going, new motivation. It's just like we're just like a sigh of relief. Okay, we're making some progress, and sometimes a little progress is all we need just to keep going. All right, what am I doing here? Let's try this again. All right. Okay. In the hand, the universe is your partner. Joyful muse, inspiration. Unmarked trail, revelation. Well, if Spirit's not setting us up for an incredible today, I don't know what to say. Thank you, Spirit. So, first Spirit says, hey, don't forget me. I am your best partner on this life journey, and I'm the best partner for this big life change that you are working on. Please make sure you're checking in with me on a regular basis, so that we can huddle up and make sure we're both on the same page and that you are on track with your purpose and fulfilling your purpose, and you are experiencing what it is to be true to the self. Who am I? So make sure, Spirit says, I'm your best partner in this venture. Don't forget me. And today, inspiration. It's new inspiration today. Whether that comes from maybe somebody we are discussing our project with, or something happens. Like I said, the construction materials finally show up for the home office, or we finally pass that exam. We are newly inspired. Now we have the energy to go forward with exuberance once again on manifesting that big life change. And as we work with the energies today and we receive input, we might experience nothing less than a revelation that really helps propel us forward in whatever it is, whatever that project is that we're working on. So it's a great Thursday. The energy is great for moving forward. Just make sure that we stay disciplined and focused. And don't forget, there's still a lot of hard work ahead, but we are feeling renewed today, and we should, and ready to go again. Because we get a little inspiration, a little attaboy maybe, or something opens up. There's a revelation and we see something, oh my gosh, so clearly that we didn't even recognize before. Have a great Thursday. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages. If you like what you see here today, please like, subscribe, and share. I greatly appreciate it. I love your comments. Please comment. I learn and grow from them. Remember, the keynote for the Soul Sister channel is life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great day. Namaste.